2871 Romeo, how far up towards Manhattan you going to go before you turn on course? Just planning for me.
It's about 10 miles.
Another 10 miles?
Affirmative, 10 miles.
Breaker 4907, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, breaker 4907.
42502, reduce speed to 180.
180 on speed, 14,000.
71 Romeo, just let me know when you're starting your turn on course, please.
We are turning on course right now, 271 Romeo, thank you.
1 Romeo, roger.
Only 10,000, beauty, we have hotel.
That was 5665, good afternoon, altimeter 3011.
3011, 5665.
Spirit 718, descend and maintain 3000.
3000 for 718.
287 Romeo, contact departure 1359er, good day.
135.9, 271 Romeo, good day. Good afternoon, New York approach, November 2871 Romeo, 7500.
Lane 2871 Romeo, New York approach, Kennedy, altimeter 3011, advise not to altitude change or course change.
3011, we are directed to destination.
71 Romeo, thank you.
Delta 1891 with you at a 2.2 for 5.
Delta 1891, New York departure, radar contact, turn left heading 130, common maintain 12000. November 901, 904 Yankee, New York approach, Kennedy, altimeter 3011.
3011, 904 Yankee.
Lieutenant 40, proceed direct ship, contact New York Center 128.3.